Hello my dear friends, my name is Ram Singh and most welcome my YouTube channel Ram's Classes. I'm fairly sure friends you all are fine there and you are staying at your home and you all are just following the guidelines of our government. Friends, in this video we are going to talk a topic that is really nice, but before sharing my today's topic I would like to thank to you all because you are have given me your precious comments and really I just get some courage because of your comments. Friends, thanks to you all very much. Friends, in this video I will discuss one thing that is really nice. When you will watch this video till the end, you will come to know what is the thing whichever we have discussed in that. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about money and peace. Yes friends, in the last I will ask some question, not some, only one question, which thing is most important for you all, and I'm just sharing my views about money and peace, which thing I need or which thing I required and which need I need to prefer first. Friends, if I talk about money, when we start our day, when we get up from morning by 5 or 6 o'clock or 4 o'clock, we mostly think that how can I earn money, and while thinking this kind of thoughts in our brain or in our mind, that time we always just imagine the things like this I will earn, like this I will earn. I will not care, and any others also thinks that this is not worth doing like that, but I want money anyhow. It doesn't matter what I'm doing and to whom with I'm doing, no matters that. Friends, for getting money or for earning some money we can harm others. This is the reality which I am just sharing. I don't want to demoralize you, but it is the reality. Means we can share and we can do all the things which are not worth doing. Even when we start our day, we cannot eat properly, we cannot sleep properly. Means all the things, only money is the best way for me. This is the thing. Second thing I'm just sharing with you, peace. When we finished all the things, then we just come to know that no, money is not that much precious. Peace is very important for us. Like when I do the hard work or when I do the smart work in whole day, and every whole day I was busy, means mentally and physically also I was that much tired. I need some peace. Friends, before sleeping we need some peace, then we can easily sleep. Otherwise, if I don't have any kind of peace, that means I cannot survive more and more. Means we need some rest. That rest is peace. Means your brain or your thinkings are saying to you that I want or we want some peace, so please give peace to them. Please give some peace to your body so that I can get some energy, so that I can go ahead also tomorrow. So this is the thing in that. And the third thing is that I'm sharing my opinion in that some people are here, those have some guts and those are really worth using this kind of things. Those always go with the both of the things, like they have need of money and they need peace as well. I am also one of them. Means I always just think that how can I earn money and how can I get some peace. But money is not that much preferable for me. I need peace and I need the thing which helps me a lot for having some peace. This is the thing I really appreciate in myself. Friends, in this video I have shared three things in that. Whatever you are thinking, that whatever the thing is important for you, like peace, money, on both are, you have to just share me on comments or anyhow you can just tell me which thing you need and which thing you prefer first. Money, what will you think about money? Peace, what will you think about peace? And both of the things, what do you think about these things? Friends, I'm fairly sure you all have understood what is the things whichever I have just shared up to now. Friends, I will share only few things to you all, and you all know the things which we need, and I will say only one line to you, or not one line, one sentence I will share. कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. Friends, we will meet again with the next topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.